outside, I know how many fingers I have, because you are a smart woman. You are a smart woman. Now I go here. I go here and make light. Oh, light. If it's light, you can see here food, vegetable and chili. And to understand better, look at the chili. You can see the chili. Oh. Good.